Hi, my name is Carla and I'm a biologist. I'm an expert in the functional medicine and in integrative medicine, and I work with many practitioners that have changed my life and helping others to change their lives. I met Cedric and Stel several years ago, and it was a life-changing because the way they approach health, it's so integrative and that allow us to go to a next level, special in health, in the parts that you are not focused on disease, but focus on getting better and healthier every day. Many years ago, I had an accident and I was blocked. I had difficult to do some movements and I went to several professionals, health professionals, and I didn't know what I had. I did some treatments, I got a little bit better. When I met Cedric, it made all the difference. In one session, he unblocked all my fascia. I didn't know what was a fascia. And in one session, he unblocked my fascia. And it was amazing because, next day I could feel my skin. I was taking a bath and I could feel the drops. It was amazing sensation to recover my sensitivity on my body. And this is just one of the treatments I did with Cedric because the results were so transforming for me. I start to feel more alive. That I'm living in Lisbon, and when I have the opportunity, I always try to come back and do sessions with Stel and Cedric, because in each session I feel much better and healthier and happier, and this is being life-changing for me. I'm so happy because finally Cedric and Stel, they are giving us an opportunity of having the opportunity to have a day spa. You can have half a day or a whole day or 2 days or 3 days. Then you can come, just relax. And during the day, enjoying the swimming pool and enjoying so many therapies they have, that you can start from one place and go to another with no stress, being with your friends, be in group, be by yourself, enjoying a day that just for yourself. Then you can be treated. Where do you need? How do you need it? And that is a very special experience